Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to rotate a video in VLC Media Player and save the rotated version. First, open VLC Media on your computer and click on the tools, and as you can see, this video is rotated. And after going to Tools, just click on Effects and Filters, or you can just press Ctrl and E on your keyboard to open it. And go to Video Effects, and go to Geometry, go to Transform, and make sure the transfer is toggled on. And just rotate it manually to your liking until you find the sweet spot. Just click on Save and click on Close. And as you can see, the video has been successfully rotated. Just go to Media and go to Convert Save. From here, just click on Add and select your video file. Click on Open and click on Convert or Save. Make sure the profile is selected as MP4. And just go to this wrench icon and make sure in the video codec the video is toggled on. Click on Save. And just browse where you want to save the video and rename it like a rotated version, and click on Save. Click on Start, and the exported video will now be saved with the rotation applied. And that's it. We just learned how to rotate a video in VLC Media Player and permanently save the rotated version using Convert Save features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.